Today I'll show you how to work a cable cast on Purlwise. So this technique is used in Peckish's pattern on both her comb and her beak. A cable cast on provides you with a really nice, neat edge, so it's worth taking the time to learn. For this video I'm using a pair of Knit Pro Zing 3.75mm needles. If you're using this tutorial to knit Peckish, these needles are bigger than you're asked for in the pattern, and that's just so that they are a bit easier for you to see during this video. I'm also using Novo Merino in 8 ply, which is what is called for in Peckish's pattern. The colour I've got is Beehive. So to begin a cable cast on, it starts off just the same as a knitted cast on would, which is with a slip knot. So make a circle with your yarn and then take this top piece of yarn over the back. So it runs under the circle, just like that, and you put your needle through it and pull the ends. That's your slip knot. This also counts as your first stitch. So to knit the cast on purlwise, we're going to insert the needle into the first stitch from right to left, just as you would to work a purl. So yarn around the needle, pull the yarn through, and that's your second stitch. So you put it onto the needle and now you've got 2 stitches cast on. From this point, this is where the cast on changes and becomes the cable cast on. Up until now we've worked it the same as a knitted cast on, just worked purlwise. So a cable cast on is made by inserting the needle between the stitches rather than into the stitch. This gives you a really nice, neat edge. For one worked purlwise, you're going to insert the needle from the back to the front. So between the stitches, just like that, from the back to the front. Then wrap your yarn around at the front, just as you would to purl, and then pull the yarn through out the back. And that's as complicated as it is. It's very simple. It's a really good technique to have up your sleeve. So I'll show you once more. From the back to the front, yarn around, then pull the yarn through at the back onto the needle. So there you go, that is a cable cast on worked purlwise.